In the real engine, the process uh, of the engine is different from the Carnot cycle, but it's still the cyclic process. If we look at the gasoline and diesel engine, the working substance is the air and the fuel that is injected to the piston in the engine, and we have the compression and expansion of the piston from the change of the chemical energy in the fuel into the internal energy of the working substance inside the piston and make the expansion, and from the mechanism inside the engine we have the expansion and the compression. Okay, we will not go to much detail in this kind of cycle, but the cyclic process of the engine can be approximately from the process called the Otto process or Otto cycle. This is the Otto cycle. Otto is the name of the engineer who gives the cycle that approximately describe the cycle in the gasoline and diesel engine. Okay, since this cycle is quite complicated, we will not go into the detail of this cycle, but what we can briefly express here is that for the engine that follow the Otto cycle, the efficiency E of the Otto cycle is equal to the 1 over V1 over V2 to the power of gamma minus 1. This is the efficiency of one cycle of Otto cycle. Here V1 and V2, the ratio of V1 and V2, we call this the compression ratio. The compression ratio. This compression ratio, if we look at the PV diagram, is the ratio between the maximum volume of the piston here and the minimum volume of the piston. It means that in one cycle the piston expands to the maximum volume of V1 and compress to the minimum value of V2, and this V1 over V2 is a compression ratio, and gamma the gamma here is equal to the ratio of the specific heat of constant volume to the specific heat of the specific heat of the constant pressure to the specific heat of the constant volume. This is the parameter that we described in the in chapter 21. Okay, so follow this equation, we can calculate the efficiency of the Otto cycle. And if we look at the PV diagram here, you can see that the Otto cycle works between the higher temperature and the lower temperature, and this is the efficiency is less than that of the Carnot cycle, of course.